Welcome to Lesson 9, Moving Average Crossovers. Often, the first trading strategy used by many traders is some sort of moving average cross. Learning to use this will be vital for your trading experience, and this method often helps you to confirm important trading decisions, also a large part to incorporate within your risk management methodologies. Let's open a 1-hour Kiwi chart here and see how we could get started. So if we click on the indicator list, or simply insert indicators, trend, moving average, and let's start by putting a 34-day moving average exponential at the close, and we will change the color here to black. Now let's do it again and open a new moving average, period type, and as number 8, so an 8-day moving average, and let's change the color here to blue. No. The premise of this strategy is to go short when you have crossovers where your 34-day moving average goes above your 8-day moving average, or alternatively where the opposite happens. For example, a long here where the 8-day crosses your 34-day moving average. Now, it's important also to backtest some of these strategies to see how they will be working well for your trading strategies. Now, if you were demo trading this strategy and wanted it to be a bit more conservative, you can right-click and change parameters of any moving average. For example, you can change the 34-day moving average by right-clicking it here. Let's change it to a 50-day moving average. And here you can see a bit more of a smoother line. The line reacts a bit more slowly, and the crossovers are slightly different, eliminating the high risk, low volatile periods of the market, as you can see here. Now, say you wanted a reference point and you wanted to add a 200-day moving average for that reference point on the daily chart. So let's have a look at that. Insert indicators, trend, moving average, 200-day. Now what you want to do is click visualization and make sure it only appears on the daily time frame. Let's change the color here to an orange. As you can see, nothing happens on the 1 hour, nothing will happen on the 4 hour. However, if I click daily, you'll see your 200-day moving average there as a reference point. Now, the 200-day moving average will give you an idea of the overall trend line. And this can be applied to all charts. So let's go ahead and save this as a new template. If you remember, in the first lessons that we have conducted, we've talked about how to save templates. And the idea is to go to this button here, save template. Let's call it a moving average crossover. Click save. Now, if I open a new chart, say pound dollar, right click chart window, and I wanted to add this template, simply click that little button here again, moving average crossover, and here we go. If we go on the daily chart, Kiwi for example, we'll see the 200-day reference point on every chart that we open. Euro Kiwi for example, if I move it to the 4 hour, we won't see it. So, in this lesson, we've learned how to set up 2 EMAs, gone over a simple moving average crossover strategy, how to adjust your moving average parameters, and how to save your moving averages to a template. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. For any other questions, please do let us know. Watch this video again, or just simply send us an email. We'll be happy to help.